The action that is now coming in is from the Samajwadi Party leader and chief Akhilesh Yadav, because he seems to have made a controversial statement saying that cow sheds smell foul. And Akhilesh Yadav's statement on cows have also sparked off a massive controversy.
आप बताइए, दुर्गंध पसंद करते हैं इसीलिए गौशाला बना रहे हैं। हम सुगंध पसंद कर रहे थे इसलिए पार्क बना रहे थे। बताइए, ये सांड पकड़ रही है सरकार के नहीं पकड़ रही है? आप खुद जानते होंगे, नहीं पकड़ रही है। पैसा खा जा रहे हैं। तो इसलिए हम लोग सुगंध पसंद करने वाले लोग हैं, इसलिए परफ्यूम पार्क बना रहे हैं। ये दुर्गंध वाले लोग हैं।
Sure, Adib, when it comes to concerns over stray cows and when it comes to how they have been, left unattended is a matter of concern there. But to straight away call cow sheds as smelly and they have not been taken care of, neglected, is another political point of view that it seems that statement is being made by the Samajwadi Party chief.
Well, definitely, Amita, and see from time and again, it is Akhilesh Yadav who has been raising the question of these stray animals on the expressway or on the main roads of the Uttar Pradesh. And when the state government is taking action, they are building more and more cow shelters. And it is again Akhilesh Yadav who is raising question on that front also. Now he's saying that they like foul smell, and that's why they are building more and more cow shelters, and we like a good smell. That's why we have made a perfume park in Kannauj. So this is how the Akhilesh Yadav is trying to attack the state government led by the BJP, saying that they like foul smell, and that's why they are creating more and more cow shelters in the state. But when it comes to attacking the ruling party, Akhilesh Yadav also attacks the ruling party from time and again. He keeps on posting on his social media account by saying that there are several stray animals roaming here and there, and government is negligent. They are not taking care of this, and when the government takes care, when they are building,
the smell is that of politics as far as reactions that have been of late coming in from certain leaders of the opposition. Adib, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Heading into a short.